Can you describe a situation where Retrieval-Augmented Generation (RAG) would be particularly effective? Answer: Retrieval-Augmented Generation (RAG) is a powerful technique that combines the strengths of retrieval-based and generation-based models. In a scenario where RAG would be particularly useful, consider a healthcare chatbot that provides consumers with accurate and customized medical information. The chatbot's retrieval components searches through a vast library of academic journals, medical literature, and reliable healthcare websites to gather relevant information in response to user queries about symptoms, treatments, or illnesses. The generative model then uses this knowledge to provide personalized and instructive replies. By integrating external knowledge sources with generating capabilities, RAG enhances the precision and reliability of the healthcare chatbot, ensuring that users receive trustworthy and up-to-date medical information. This approach not only improves the user experience but also builds trust with users and provides valuable support in accessing reliable healthcare information.